Hi, I'm Claire, the founder of Method Mindset. I help high achievers like you break free from exhaustion and reclaim your energy. So success feel effortless without sacrificing your health, relationships, or peace of mind. Today, I want to share something deeply personal with you, something that changed my life and shaped my entire mission. You see, my journey hasn't always been easy. Years ago, I faced one of the biggest challenges of my life, one that left me feeling powerless, vulnerable, and deeply uncertain about my future. I had to undergo life-saving heart surgery. In that moment, I have no control, only the hope that both Western and Eastern medicine could work together to heal me. Western medicine saved my life and my body. Eastern medicine restored my energy and balance of my energy. And gratitude became my greatest strength. I learned that healing isn't just about the physical. It's about the mind, body, and energy working in harmony. And that's exactly what I want to share with you today. You may have achieved incredible things, building a career, grown a business, supported your family. But if you are constantly running on empty, you are not truly thriving, and that is what we are going to fix today. There was a time when I thought exhaustion was just part of success. I thought feeling tired all the time was normal. I believed pushing harder means I was strong. I ignored the signs my body was giving me until I couldn't anymore. It wasn't until I reached a breaking point that I finally saw the truth. Success without energy is just survival. High achievers don't struggle because they lack of ambitions or drive. They struggle because they don't know how to fuel their energy properly. If you are relying on coffee just to go through the day, if you feel like no matter how much you sleep, you are still drained, if your success is costing you your health, relationships, and peace of mind, then it's time for a new approach. I discovered a method that changed everything, not just for me, but for hundreds of high achievers I have worked with. Energy isn't just about rest, it's about alignment. When you are aligning your energy, success feels like effortless. When your energy is balanced, you perform at the peak, you perform at your highest level without burnout. That's why I create this special free live training just for you. Energy Resilience Masterclass. It's a 3 essentials shift to avoid burnout and unlock peak performance. So you save your spot now. Register at www.methodmindset.uk/energy. This isn't just another motivation talk. This is about real, practical energy mastery. Here are 3 shifts. Shift 1, align your energy for peak performance. Stop fighting exhaustion. Work with your body's rhythm to create effortless energy and focus. Shift 2, release stress or overwhelming without willpower. Your stress isn't just mental, is stored in your body. Learn powerful techniques to reset your energy in minutes. Shift 3. Rewire your mindset for long-term energy mastery. No more burnt out cycles. I will show you exactly how to stay in a high energy state without pushing yourself to exhaustion. So are you ready to stop running on fuels and start thriving? Register for the webinar now. Save your spot. If you sign up today, you will also get my exclusive guide book, The Energy Resilience Code. 3 essential shifts to avoid burnout and thrive. Download it here. Get the free ebook. This guide alone will give you life-changing insights into how to restore energy, reduce stress, and feel fully alive again. You can register at www.methodmindset.uk/energy. This journey isn't just about learning, it's about real, lasting transformation. If you want personalized guidance, I'm open up for a few spots for one-to-one strategy calls where we will create a customized plan for your energy and resilience. Let's mark out your breakthrough together. Claim your spot at www.metamindset.uk/energy. You don't have to wait for burnout to force you to change. You can take control of your energy now. High performers don't wait, they take action. Your energy is your most valuable asset. Let's protect and expand it. Click www.methodmindset.uk/energy. Let's make energy resilience your new superpower. Click www.methodmindset.uk/energy. I will see you inside.